Let me show you 10,000 tick chart. We have a trap trade setting up here. You see this magenta box, right? You see this magenta super signal. The super signal here is what the indicator tells you that we have a fail second entry short approaching. I gotta take it, pandas. I gotta take it. It's crazy because we got a big tail here. We're far away from 20 EMA, but I gotta take this, pandas. I think it's gonna trigger here. Ugh, can I get in? Okay, I'm in. Trap trade. 1-to-1 right here. We just have a runner straight up. First trade on these brand new PA accounts. Of course, we're gonna get hit. There's no other way to do it. You gotta get hit on the first trade, yeah? Okay, we're getting pushed down here. It looks decent. Uh-oh, I think I made a boo-boo. Okay, I like that follow through. Retesting that little wick here. Most likely we'll break it. Most likely. Oh, let's go. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. We take the risk off. We have one contract left. Trap triggers. Fail trap, maybe? Hopefully it doesn't take me out. I feel like it's been a long time since we had like a nice runner that just ran for like 20 plus points. It takes me out. It takes my runner out. It's all good. I mean, that's what the runners are for. That is what the runners are for, pandas. Strong bull bar on 5-minute chart ending near its high. Ah, big mama. I gotta take it. I gotta take it. I'm just taking it with micros though. It's just micros. So it essentially is one mini, but it allows me to have runners. We got big mama triggering now. It's quite bullish. Quite bullish. Looking for 5 points though. Let's see. Let's trigger that second entry, the second pullback. Get that second entry long going. Looks like actually a strong push down after that triggers. The market may have had its chance to try to break out. Ooh, we get tapped. Very cool.
10,000 tick trap.
Very, very cool. Why is it 262? What if I just start buying? Just buying anything, everything. As long as we're above the 20 MA here. Instead of putting it all into this, I'll just keep buying with one micro all the way through today. Do you see this? On the Albrook's website, the encyclopedia essentially has this pattern. We have this gap up and then comes back down, gaps up, comes back down, sell climax to the 20 MA, and just kind of goes up the entire day. That's what I feel like we're doing right now. Am I going crazy? That's what I feel, pandas. I would like this to have a nice strong bull bar with continuation. 10,000 tick chart, right? Strong bull bar, continuation. Black light chips. Getting super deep into this trade, and he jumps in and says, I think I'm going to go with the Galaxy A8 as a small extension to my MacBook. Appreciate the insight. Trap trade on the 10K chart, trap trade on the 5-minute chart. Could be fireworks. It's looking weaker and weaker as time goes on. The more time it spends underneath my entry, the more sus it feels, and it has been going underneath my entry often. It even closes underneath my entry. All right, pandas, here we go. Trap about to trigger. Get ready for the volcanic explosion here. If this triggers, pandas, we're getting a nice move up. Triggers on the 5-minute, right? The EMINI. It actually triggers on the EMINI here. It's a good sign for us, I think. Okay, making new highs, making new highs. Pandas, pandas.
Eventually.
Don't like that though. We never really wanted to come back like this. If you could prevent it, that'd be great. It's such a strong move down. Sometimes you wish you just go short there instead. 20 EMA, hopefully doing its job. Yeah, it's breaking down. It's reversing. Trading range day today. Trading ranges are gonna trading range. I mean, we saw a trading range price action here, here. Probably could assume this was gonna happen, unfortunately. Albrooks! I thought I found the chart for the day. Does Albrooks have a stream paid service? But it's not just him. He has like successors underneath him that basically are trying to take over his, kind of take over that role because Albrooks is getting old. He really is getting old. I think it'd be a really sad day. I mean, I don't want to say it. I don't know how old he actually is. He just looks really old, and I just feels like at any moment it could be like the day. I mean, I don't want to say that. Obviously, it's very sad. Josiah says, Albrooks looks like a bird that was just hatched. What in the world? Why would you say that? Nice little move here. A 1-to-1 risk reward from this. It's a 1-to-1 here. Kind of keep selling, huh? All right.
Target filled.
Target fill. Oh, I haven't heard that in a long time. Good 1-to-1. I could have looked for maybe more, but I think in general, looking for the 1-to-1 makes sense first. And whatever you get after that, it'll be extra. But I think securing that 1-to-1 makes sense, especially when you have this much chop going on. You don't really know if you're going to get, the strong trend to get that 1-to-2.